Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign PDF document in Samsung Galaxy phone. So guys, to sign PDF document in Samsung Galaxy phone, we will use the Samsung Notes application, this one. So this is the default application in Samsung Galaxy phone. If you buy a new Samsung Galaxy phone, usually this application will be available automatically on your phone. And now let's just open this application. And since we want to sign PDF document, we can tap on the PDF option right here and select the PDF document you want to sign. And for example, I'm going to select a PDF document from my internal storage, from this WhatsApp document. And I'm gonna go with this file, so we can tap on the file to select it. Then after that, we can click on done option right here. Okay, and wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Alright, and now let's just start sign the document. We can tap on this button guys, and you can select the type of the pen. I'm going to select this one, and you can also select the color. You can change the color guys, and for me I'm gonna go with black color, and for the pen I'm going to select this one. Okay, once we're done, we can tap on this button, then we can start to sign the document like this. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can sign PDF document in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.